Heyo, good morning, 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 good morning. All right, I see it on YouTube now. I just had to do this, guys, because I didn't know when it would actually start on YouTube. But good morning, Tradeify Nation. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're crushing it, and you had a great day yesterday. Good morning, Celine. How are you doing?
Good morning, chat. Good morning, Nick. I'm doing so well. I'm feeling ready to have another fire stream here today. Yesterday was insane, you guys. Like something like 700 of you all at once were watching us, which was absolutely insane. So fire stream yesterday. And as I said on Twitter just before, I think we can top those numbers today. I don't know about you, Nick, but why not shoot for the stars? Let's get more of you in here. We love to have you. So yeah, feeling ready. Hopefully we get another W on stream and see what NASDAQ wants to give us today.
Hell yeah. Let's do our, required, obligatory good morning round. Good morning, Leah. Good morning, Paul. Good morning, Keepa. Good morning. Who we got in the chat? Kirill. Good morning, Mitzi. Good morning, Peter. Good morning, Corey. Good morning, Pip Hunter. Good morning, Adam. Good morning, Marco. Good morning, Kryptoneer X. Good morning, iTrey. Good morning, Royal Negroni. How you're all doing? Hope you're doing well. How did you end your day yesterday? Green? Red? Flat? Let us know what happened. Let us know what happened. Actually looking at the market right now. Don't like it. I don't like it. What do you think, Celine?
Well, I mean, for me, I'm still looking towards this daily bearish FVG on the higher time frame on the daily. I just still think for me that's a draw on liquidity where price could go to, and then be interesting to see how we react at this level. But for me, that's definitely still my target. So still looking bullish on the higher time frame. Whether we get that this week, I don't know, because yesterday's candle was yucky and just closing back into the range and really didn't do much at all. So interested to see when we hit that, because I still think that's definitely my next target for longs. But in saying that, looking at today, we had this massive push. If I just go to the hourly, looking at.
By the way, London just opened. Ding, 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 ding. Big Ben is calling. Thank you.
Ding, 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 ding. So looking at this massive jump up that we had at 8 p.m. New York time, Eastern time, and then we haven't really done much else after that. So I'm not sure if that was also in relation to the government news. Obviously, the US government has moved forward and they will be reopening. So we might get some volume now, hopefully some cleaner market action, but it doesn't actually look like that today. But yeah, I think definitely with what's happening with the government, we should hopefully get some bigger, nicer moves. But coming to say that I was bullish on the high time frame, looking at this 15-minute chart at the moment, I wanted to get a sweep of this 4-hour high and then previous 4-hour high, and then I definitely would have been looking for shorts, but unfortunately it just literally made an equal high there at that level in the 720s. So I wanted to see that level spiked and then take shorts, but looks like it might run off without me, but I'll still be interested.
I actually like it for shorts at this point.
Yeah, I think it's just because of I still like it for shorts. I think definitely it's going to run without me, but it's just the way I have to use my model. I need to see this level swept, which is so, even if it was like a tick, it still counts as a sweep. But I'm pretty sure we just made that. What's that high there? 721.25. Yeah, we literally just we made an equal high there, so I don't like that at all for my system. But yeah. Oh, sorry, just to finish, I was going to say quickly, also liking to see for shorts that we're still respecting this huge 1-hour bearish FVG to the left here. So definitely goes along with the bearish bias in today's session.
Mm-hmm. I was just about to say, sorry, I thought you were done. Hey, Leah. Good morning. Good morning, RF. Good morning, Pankaj. Good morning, Saturday. Hope you're doing well. Here's what I would like to see on NQ right now. I have a bearish bias on the 15-minute 4-hour and on the 3-minute 30-minute. So that is really, really strong. Ideally, I would see a retest of this fair value gap, which would make the upwick for this 30-minute and hourly candle, and then a move lower. That would be my ideal setup for shorts. And then honestly, target Asia lows down here. That would be ideal.
Yeah, I think definitely if there's a big sell-off, Asia low is definitely a level I'd be looking at too.
Also, chat, yesterday, that trade that we took in the London session passed the 0 to hero challenge account. As you can see on my dashboard right now, is right here. The growth 50K 0 to hero challenge account is past. Second round, it took me 12 trading days. It would have been shorter, as said, if I wouldn't have taken this accidental $700 loss during the New York stream when I was on the 0 to hero account instead of my funded accounts. But hey, we made it happen anyways. We made up for that $700 loss and passed it. So congrats to everybody who worked with me on that. Right now, the problem is I can't activate it because I already have 550K accounts that are funded, as you can see here. So yeah, I just activated 5 new 150K growth evals. I'm just going to work on those instead. Let's see what the day brings. There's this pushback from previous day mid. Now, all I need is a tap into this fair value gap and then move lower. That would be my thing, my setup that I'm looking for right now.
I was gonna say that's so cool that with prop firms and with Tradeify, we can just literally pass accounts, have them sitting there ready to go. So guys, even if you have 5 fundeds already, there's no reason to stop. You can just bank them up, have your fundeds ready to go. So if you do ever blow one, at least you've got one sitting there. So
hey, especially now, because there is a 40% discount on growth accounts. Like,
yes,
40%, guys. Definitely use that.
That's crazy.
The code for that is on Twitter. I don't know it by heart right now. You got to go on Twitter and go on the Tradeify Twitter. It's right there.
I definitely would be banking up and stocking up those evals for sure, guys. 40% is crazy.
Yeah, 40% is nuts. Let's see. Why am I looking for shorts? Well, simple. The previous 4 hour that we had was candle 2 closure, not a strong one, but it did sweep its previous 4 hour candle and closed within. And the one right now made basically equal highs, so it is respecting the level, which I like. I did get the 50-minute change in state of delivery because we closed through the 25,697 level to the downside, and yeah, now I'm just waiting for a pullback for an entry. Corey, how long can you leave them, or do you have to pay a monthly subscription until you activate them? Yeah, you have to pay the monthly fee until you activate them. So you pay to have reserves, basically. Hey, Peter, thanks for that. The code is RUSH. You can use it until Friday, 11:59 p.m. EST.
Good morning, Kenny Man.
Kenny Man.
Good morning. Good morning, Sega.
Let's see.
Good morning, Parmeet.
Yeah, Dandy, as we just said, you can leave them in the dashboard, just don't activate them, but you're going to pay the monthly subscription. That's actually true, RF. Nobody has asked in a long time. Hey, I'm going to tell you, ETFM Pro Plus. But I didn't say that in the last 10 streams or so. It's true.
Yeah, that's true.
Morning Future here.
Juan, maybe I'm not saying that right. Juan asks, what size do you guys usually trade with on NQ? For me, it's roughly around 1 to 2 minis max. I generally trade with the same stop size, so no need to change the for me the contract size about 1 to 2.
Oh God, Trading Markets is back in the chat. No. No. Oh God. Well, welcome Trading Markets.
What's his idea at Trading Markets? Tell us what's the go today. Are we seeing NASDAQ dump or are we seeing NASDAQ? I need to know what to do.
Let's see. Chat. There was something I wanted to say. Oh yeah, Nicholas is asking a good question. He says or asks, hey Nick, what's your morning routine before you trade? Literally every single day, the exact same. Wake up at 6:30, I journal real quick, cuddle my cats for 10-15 minutes. Then I go to then I have a protein bar and a pre-workout drink. I go to the gym, come back from the gym, shower, and then I start the London stream. All right, nice rejection out of the T spot here. Let's see if this gets a nice bearish candle close on the 3-minute. I'm gonna take a short here. gonna trade this on my 5 funded accounts.
Nice. Getting a trade literally 8 minutes past the open.
Yeah, I mean, why not?
Sick.
Why not?
Well, I think chances are I'm not going to get a sweep back up into that level up there, 720. So I don't know whether I just look for some sort of continuation today and play it like that. I do like the shorts, definitely.
I want to see a strong bearish close, though. This is not what I'm looking for. Not entering this yet. This was an indecision candle in the 3-minute. I want a strong push to the downside. Gold is pumping. Gold is ripping right now. Damn. Damn.
I haven't looked at gold yet. What's it doing? Damn. I swear every London session we've just been getting gold rip. And even in New York yesterday, I saw so many people, and you as well, killed it on gold.
Yeah, during the New York stream yesterday.
On gold.
Took a nice 13.5 point win, and it was fast. It was extremely fast. Hey, Corey's saying, I truly feel I need to upgrade to the 150K account for more drawdown. Actually, can you run back the challenge? I want to do a 150K account to fund it with you. I have a little fear making 9K. Chat, should we run it back? Should we do a 150K 0 to hero challenge? If enough of you say yes, I'll do it.
Say yes, guys. Who doesn't want another funded account?
Hey, Celine, Suriluki is sad. He says you're ignoring him about the lunch question.
Oh, sorry. Suriluki, I'm so sorry. That's not on purpose. I literally just, my eyes aren't clear enough to see all these comments. Lunch today was just the same old. The mushroom tomato omelet with avocado and sourdough toast.
All right.
Pretty boring.
Oh, shit. Okay, the chat really wants that. All
yeah,
right,
let's go. Everyone wants to pass.
Let's do it. Okay, here's what we're going to do, chat. We're going to do the 0 to hero massive challenge this time, okay? We're going to do 5 150K growth accounts. Actually, you know what? No, let's do this. I'm going to trade my 5 evals like separately. I'm going to do another one. So another separate 150K growth just during the London stream. 0 to hero challenge. We're going to trade it more aggressively, obviously, than the 50K. Instead of 1 mini, we're going to trade probably like 2. Yeah, let's say 2 minis. And we're going to start that on Monday. So right now, perfect time to get yourself a growth account, because with code RUSH, you can literally buy a growth account for 40% off. So go get yourself a 150K growth account with code RUSH, and we're going to start the challenge on Monday. Let's do it.
You heard him, guys. Rush. Rush and get that account and be ready Monday.
There's my bearish close coming up in 15 seconds. This one I really like.
Oh, that's a strong push.
I'm gonna enter this in 5 seconds, chat, if we close this bearish. Nope, it didn't. It did. Does it? Well, I'm gonna enter. I took it, guys. Stop above the swing high there, risking 22 points to make 44. Let's see if that target actually makes sense, but it should. Target would be, let's check, 1850. I'm on InQ, by the way, chat. 1850 is right below daily open. Yeah, I like that. That's perfect.
I like this. You're getting the push already. Wow.
Oh, yeah, that was fast. Well, let's see if we can hold that level under here. As said, it's a 22-point stop for a potential 44-point win. And as usual, I will trail my stop to break even at 1 hour. Then we'll trail it to 1 hour at 1.5. And then we'll trail it to 1.5 at 1.75. And then take full profit at 2 hour. So let's see.
And chat, how are we doing with the trading today? Has anyone taken anything green, red? Not sure if I missed it, but usually, Leia, you're in a trade.
Yeah, Leia is always in a trade. All right, chat. I'm going to summarize this in text form so you can see it better. So next trade. There we go. We have entry at 25,662.50. We have our stop loss at 25,684.50. And we have our TP at 25,618.50. There we go. We got it, chat. We got it. Oh shit, it's a short. We got to make this text red. Otherwise, it's not going to work. There we go.
Ozempic in gold long as usual. How'd you go yesterday? Was it Ozempic? Were you holding those longs all through the session? I'm pretty sure it was Ozempic. You would have banked on those longs yesterday. Adam, nice. Green after one trade. Love that.
I think him saying gold long as usual is just him pretending to be trading markets.
Okay. He's just trolling. Christian's also in gold. Quinton, looking to take that short below the last IFEG that we're about to hit. Okay. I'm guessing that's on NQ. Everyone's banking on gold.
Yeah, gold is doing the strong pumps again. Everyone trading gold. I'm trading NQ right now. Short NQ. I like that we closed here and made a new change in state of delivery. That makes this a protected swing high. So now, waiting for the drop. Give me the nice cliff.
You need the magnet. You don't have the magnet up.
Yeah, true. True. Today it must work without the magnet.
I think I would potentially be interested if we did sweep into that 15-minute. I mean, for you, I don't want that to happen, but I would like to get a tap into that 15-minute bearish FVG and then sell off that. But we'll see.
RF is asking, Nick, how can you have so many funded accounts when we ordinary mortals can only have 5? I can only have 5. I only have 5. Look at my dashboard. I have 5 evals here. Growth 150k eval. You see evaluation active, evaluation. Then I have one that is passed, but I didn't activate it. And then I have 5 funded active. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5 allowed. I'm not special.
But you can stack those evals up.
You can, yeah.
Just 5 funded.
Absolutely, you can.
JK is asking how many contracts you win.
1. 1 mini on my 150k growth accounts. I'm trading those pretty conservatively. Like I'm usually only trading them with 1, max 2 minis. But yeah. Like if I'm going for a 44-point trade and I do that with 1 mini, that's $880. So great trade.
Trading Markets is out here warning you.
What is he saying?
He said even here yesterday warned you when you were shorting 150 USD lower, lol.
Hey, you're the market maker, trading markets, huh? Let's see. Vince, my daily bias is short for now. Keepa says, tell the boss we want more funded accounts. Give the people 6 total. Actually, if you bought with Tradeify like last year, you were able to get 7 lightning fundeds. I had like 7 lightning fundeds in the beginning, but then I blew them after like 2 payouts.
At least you got the payout. Some people are out here blowing. No payouts.
Yep. Actually, I'm going to put this on screen as well, like these lines. The first line is the 1 hour point. That is when I move break even. Then the second line is my 1.5 hour point. It's when I move to 1 hour. And then the third line is my 1.75 hour point, which is when I move to 1.5 hour. And the fifth line is my full TP. Actually, it's the fourth line. Dummy.
It's looking good. Hey, M and Celine, how many C? I'm guessing you mean contracts you risk on your evals. Around 2. I should be risking a bit heavier because they're evals, and it sort of means I'm going to be sitting in them a bit longer. But 2 for now.
2 minis. All right, it's struggling a bit at this level. Stockstown, evals or straight to funded best? I mean, it really depends on how you are as a person and your characteristics. For me, whenever I trade evals, it's more kind of like a gambling mindset that I have around them, because I do not want to waste any time in the eval stage, except obviously in the 0 to hero challenge. I wanted to treat those as like a very patient play. But usually when I trade evals, I trade them so aggressive. For example, the 5 150k growth accounts that I have right now, I passed them in one trade with 10 minis, right? This could have gone the other way and I could have blew them all, but I'm happy to do that and just reset. I think if you get a straight to funded right away, so in our case, it's called a lightning funded, then that gambling mindset is just gone, because you already are funded and you treat it as a real account. So really depends how you think.
Yeah, I for sure agree. I think for me with the evals, I'm trying to treat them a bit more less aggressive so I can get myself, on stream and having to trade at the same time. I don't know if any of you guys saw my post yesterday, but I actually made a mistake in another trade I took yesterday with you guys. Just like small errors. And I feel like if I was like trading 10 minis, it would have been a much bigger hit to my account. So just making sure I'm 100% focused on these evals at the minute while I'm streaming. And then when I feel a bit more confident with streaming and trading at the same time and the multitasking, I think for sure I would be sizing up and trading evals heavier. But yeah, I like to treat the eval stage just the same, just like as quick as I can, get out of them and get straight into funded.
Ugly
Straight into making
rejection
money.
here, right before my 1R point. We were up 19 points and now suddenly almost break even. In the past, when I started trading, this would have shaken me out 100%. I would have closed here 100%.
Oh
There's
yeah, me too.
no way I would have held that. But now I'm just following my system. The 1R point is when I take the break even. Anything before that, just let it play out.
There was times I would close trades, and then as soon as I'd close out, it would just dump to my TP, and it would just kill me every time because I just didn't have the emotional stability to sit and draw down, and I would just close it out, and then it would just reverse and go straight to my TP. So I had to learn my lesson the hard way. JS is asking, Nick and Celine, what are your thoughts on VWAP and EMAs? I don't think you consider them at all, right? Why is that? Personally, I don't look at VWAP, whatever we call it here, and VWAP and EMAs. But yeah, that's just because the concept I learned don't rely on them. But I definitely see other traders using it, and it's definitely, especially VWAP. I can see how we respect VWAP at different levels. So yeah, I can see how people use them, but I personally don't.
Yeah, I use it. I use VWAP just as a reference point. For example, this the VWAP right now on NQ is sitting at 38, right? My 1R point is 40.75. If my 1R point would have been like 36 or 35, I would have already moved break even at VWAP level, because I know VWAP tends to reject a lot, right? So I just look at it, I take it into consideration, but it's not. I don't trade a VWAP based strategy in that case. EMAs, 9 EMA on the 5 minute. When we have a huge trending day, I sometimes take rejections off of that, basically the same way as Merriam does it. So yeah, for those two reasons. But other than that, don't really use it. Let's see if we can get this pushed down now, because this is looking bad right now. If we get a 3-minute candle closure through the 75 level, I'm going to kill the trade manually, because at that point, there's a new change in state of delivery to the upside.
Oh, yeah, I can see that. Well, I was going to say, I hear that institutions usually use VWAP as their reasons for entering. So I think definitely that's why we see it a lot hold, like VWAP is usually a level that's held quite strongly. So I can see how people use it. I just personally still don't.
Little Zach's 25. What's the difference between the number EMAs? I'm assuming you mean like the 9 EMA, 21 EMA, etc. The number just indicates how many candles it takes into consideration. The 9 EMA is like the moving average of the previous 9 candles. The 21 is of the previous 21, etc. JK1, you can use the code RUSH for any size growth account. Okay, we did not get a close through this level, so I'm not considering this as a change of delivery, change in state of delivery. So I am not closing this yet, letting it play out. But it looks like this is gonna stop me out. Let's see, we're about 8 points away from my stop loss. That would suck because we were up 19 points on this trade.
And you were so close to that 1R.
Yeah, very close. But hey, that's how it goes sometimes.
That's how it goes.
That's how it goes. Oh shit, what's that sound?
Can you hear that? Sorry. Yeah. That's right. I'll be right back. I'm just gonna go switch that off. Oh, it's gone. You would laugh if I told you what that was. It's an electric toothbrush, but the battery, it's on charge at the moment, and the battery's been really funny lately. So I do apologize.
It sounded like somebody is drilling a hole into the wall or something.
No, I know. It freaked me out. It went off in the middle of the night, and I had no idea. It just keeps happening at the worst times. So
that sounds awful. Yeah.
If it happens again, I'm just gonna shove it somewhere. But it's just because it's on charge at the minute.
Risk it for the tick. How much should we risk on 50K straight to fund a 2K buffer? I would do the same as I did with the 0 to hero challenge, like one mini. Let's see. Chat, by the way, I didn't even tell you the like goal. The like goal is 405. So if you haven't already, make sure you smack that like button's face like the NQ is smacking my stop loss's face in a second, and get us to 405. Damn it, I'm out.
Damn.
That hurts. After being up 19 points, taking a 22-point loss, that hurts. I tell you.
Yeah, what the hell was that? This is the thing about NASDAQ. It just looks like it's dumping, and then it completely reverses the move. But hey, you might get another setup.
Nins. Oh yeah, you're right. It's a straight to funded. Sorry, my bad. Whoever asked for the risk on a 50K. I was mentally somewhere else. 1 micro per $500 in drawdown. So 4 micros. Sorry. If this stopped me out up here and then it dumps, I'm gonna be pissed. Well, technically, we're still respecting the 50% point of the previous candle, so it could actually.
And we have just got that tap into the 15-minute bearish FEG. So this could be a level we hold and dump from. But we'll see. I'd be looking now for the next 15-minute to open to sweep this current 15 minutes high at, well, the current high is about that 687 level, and then get a short entry off that, hopefully.
Come on, NQ. Why did you do me dirty like that? That was mean. I actually get a long setup on ES here. Lul.
Oh, you're getting another setup?
Yeah, in 3 minutes. But on ES.
Maybe that's the play.
Maybe. Who knows at this point? That was nasty. I got NASDAQ.
I hate that. At least you pretty much took the profit yesterday to get funded. So
true. Now I haven't used the funded account. And before everybody in the chat says, give it to me. Look, if I could, I would, but I can't.
Guys, you just got to trade the straight to funded. I mean, not the straight to funded. It's the 0 to hero challenge from next Monday, and then You will also have a funded account soon enough.
My God,
Stay
did Nasdaq really just do that?
Damn, Nick, this is really... I know how this feels, trust me.
Nasty.
Just another day trading Nasdaq.
Nasdaq.
Big seller, why all ICT traders use light theme? I guess that's just how it is. I don't know. That's what ICT uses, so that's what I use.
I hate it, guys. I hate the light. The light.
I think I just hate the dark now though, because this is what I learned on. So now seeing dark charts with red and green candles just looks freaky.
So much nicer. I hate white.
Man.
I hate the light background. I still use it, but I hate it.
I'm so the opposite.
Oh, should I re-enter this? Because we did tap into the fair value gap and got the reaction candle. I'm gonna re-enter this actually in 30 seconds. Imagine it stops me out twice.
I mean, it has happened to me before.
It does happen. Let's see. 8 seconds. But if we get this bearish close.
I don't want it to dump again. I want to get in these shorts.
I took it again, chat. Took it again.
It did it again. Evertronic also re-entered. Everyone's re-entering. Tinkering Tish re-entered. I still like it. I also
Nasdaq. I hope not. That would be bad. Going for an even bigger TP now.
Yeah, Francesco, I actually can see how that could be a thing. He says he read somewhere that seeing red color is somehow a psychological thing. I can see that. Because red sort of means drawdown, red, bad, everything like wrong. So I guess maybe that's why.
Maybe.
They're saying to remove your red candles. Maybe that's the problem. Maybe that's the problem, Nick. And then Nasdaq will give you the dump.
What's the problem?
Your red candles. The chat is saying remove your red candles.
What do you mean remove my red candles?
Change your candles to another color. Not red. Anything but red.
Here you go. I'll make it pink for you. Oh my God, that looks nasty. You wanted it, chat. Here you go.
This might work.
If this doesn't work, I'm going to blame you all. Your fault.
It was Francesco's idea.
Francesco, it's your fault if this doesn't work. And if it does work, I'm going to give you all the credit.
11 twice. I made my candles all orange, only green and red wicks. Oh, that sounds nasty. Orange candles? I don't know how I feel about that.
Honestly.
And all orange. That would hurt my eyes. Pink and blue. Okay, some people have some real interesting colors.
I'm going to make the text pink as well now. So it all fits the vibe, you know? Chat, if I get double Nasdaq, that would be so ugly. Pink candles, what the hell?
Yeah. I don't hate it.
Black and gold? Well, how do you make your candles golden? It's kind of just like a yellow-ish thing.
Yeah, I don't know about gold. Yellow would be gross. I think green and black is goated. That's the cleanest for my eyes. Andrea says, you people will get old, have eye problems, and go back to red and green with black background. Trust me.
Evatronic says white and blue. I like that, actually. So white for longs and blue for shorts. Let's see. Yeah, that one I like. I can get along with that.
Oh, yeah.
That one looks good. I'm going to change the text as well. Here you go. Nice.
Let's see if Nasdaq likes this.
Well, it came back to break even. What I'm gonna do though, chat, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move break even at 46.50 here at these lows because I'm not gonna risk that. I'm getting the same move again. Slightly less than 1 hour. White blue is actually nice. I dig that, chat. I like it.
Yeah, it's pretty clear. I like that too.
We might be onto something, chat. We might be onto something.
Francesco, where did you learn this? This is actually so true. The
What?
colors make all the difference.
Well, yeah, no, that's of course the way it is. But the red
Nasdaq just needed you to have
clear, you know.
Nasdaq just didn't like your red candles, and so you needed to change. Oh, and Moss usually has white down and blue up. Okay.
Yeah, he had white and blue for a long time, but he changes it like every other week or so.
Oh, I couldn't do that. I would forget what's up, what's down.
Well, it's not that hard if you look at the chart.
Yes, I know. But sometimes I'm just too tired, especially New York session. Oh my goodness. Even in Bali, it's still such a late.
But that's why I understand even less why you were doing white light background. Like it makes no sense because in the dark, if you're trading in the dark, it's so much easier on the eyes with a dark background.
No, well, I feel like actually white keeps me alert. It keeps me awake. Imagine seeing like a dark screen. What?
But still, it hurts the eyes.
Well, it's true. I did actually go for a recent eye test, and apparently I do need some form of prescription for now, but I'm trying not to.
Well, I just use blue light blockers, technically.
Yeah, I do. I should get them. You don't use them?
I did for a very long time, but I stopped.
It didn't really make a difference.
I mean, look, I got it initially to sleep better, and I also got magnesium to sleep better, and did like all these sleeping routines, and then I realized, wait, I always slept good. and then I stopped doing all that shit, and I'm still sleeping the exact same way. Like I'm doing just fine.
I'd still like to probably try out the blue light, just because sometimes I do get those headaches. I don't know about anyone else in the chat, but when you're trading at like 11 p.m. the New York session and there's just so much going on, can get a little headachy. Yeah. Oh, what are you doing, Nasdaq?
I'm gonna get double Nasdaq, it seems like.
Turn around.
Turn around.
Scalp and cry. I don't use candles or colors. I just enter and pray.
Yeah, that sounds like some degen Nick shit.
Yeah.
If I get double Nasdaq, I'm gonna lock myself out of these accounts and only trade evals for the rest of the day. Yeah, Avi Rup, that's what I mean. These orange glasses, those are the blue light blockers. Francesco, yeah, right. The trade doesn't work because I have the red P&L tool on. That's exactly why. The market makers are like, oh, he's using the red P&L tool. Nope. He's going to get stopped out.
I tried to tell him.
No, I like the P&L tool. It's actually great because that way I can easily measure my 1 hour point, my 1.5 hour point, etc. Great, yeah. I love it.
Yeah, me too. I always have that up, definitely.
Maybe we don't get double Nasdaq.
I'm too lazy to work out points and distance and stop loss. If you just, the P&L tool is probably the greatest thing TradingView has.
Top step tiers. Nick, how many trades do you take in a day? Usually anywhere between 1 and max 5, but like that's the absolute maximum. Usually it's like 1 to 3, 1, 2, or 3. What is NQ doing? This is so nasty. This is so nasty. Funny, I saw like bias on the NQ, with like the indicator's bias is bearish, and on ES it's bullish. Kind of.
Bit disgusting when that happens.
But I still like that short setup. Like I don't think this is over yet, this move. Might be wrong though.
I mean, we haven't really taken out anything major on the sell side. For me, I'm still at least get back down to daily open or somewhere.
Yeah.
I'd still be interested also if we close. We'll see where this 15-minute candle gets, but I'd be looking for a sweep of the previous 15 before I enter now.
That's fair. Pankaj is asking, Nick, just now you mentioned you take only 2 losses and then lock out. What's the reason behind it? Well, simple. If I take 2 losses in a row, I know that I can't read the market properly, and then I'd rather protect my account by locking myself out instead of doing some dumb shit. Very simple.
Like, not like how you traded the Grand Cup. Quite the opposite.
No, absolutely not. Grand Cup, I just didn't have a stop loss, so I only took 1 loss, but a big one.
By the way, is anyone still in Grand Cup from our London session? Anyone still trading?
They better be.
Oh, here we go. Ashis, I have just 1K profit after that. I did not place any trade. Still, I'm going up without doing nothing in Grand Cup. I love that. Still not trading is trading, because there are other people that will probably be taking riskier trades. And the best part is that you just can sit there and slowly grind your way up. And
yeah, I would actually have advanced until now by just not trading it anymore. I was up 8 grand.
Damn it. That sucks.
Yeah, chat. It looks like I'm getting double Nasdaq here. If it doesn't turn around the 80s, I'm getting wrecked again.
Where's Market Maker Mario now when we need him? Come and push these markets down.
Where you at? Where you at when we need you? Francesco, what is the 200th place now? Let's actually look at the leaderboard really quick.
Right, oh, nice. Now. iTrade is still in it. I'm still in it, doing better on it than on my funded. Well, I mean, it's not such a bad thing. The prize up for grabs is quite insane. So keep killing it.
True. So right now, DJP is the leader in our team, 73K balance. Process-driven Turtle, 71K. TJ Simple Trading, 67K. Oh, Matt is still here. Nice. Let's see. So 200th place. Actually, what's the trade doing? 200th place. Let's see. I think we need to go to like page 8 for that, if I remember correctly. Was it page 8? 7, 8.
Oh, we're pushing into that 680 level.
Uh-oh. Nasdaq, don't do me like that. Please. Don't do it.
Uh-oh.
Actually, this is page 10. All right, so 200th place right now is 15K in profit. 15,134.
Cheese balls, is that you sitting at rank 92? It's pretty good.
Yeah, he is.
Set to look at rank 92. That's awesome.
Saturday, you were up 17K. Yeah, you should have definitely stopped. But hey, who am I to say that?
Yeah. Shut up, Nick. That's that
you
really
shut up.
sucks.
You blew it as well.
Yeah, okay, true. Yeah, but I wasn't up 8K at any given point. I was never up that much.
Hey, we actually do have a filter now. That's actually sick. Good point. Thanks, Royal. You can just go filter by rank and go 1 to 200. And then hit the last page. Nice. This is sick. Our dev team is so freaking sick. Like, nobody does it like Tradeify, I tell you. Our developers are absolutely crushing it.
Honestly, I hope we do this again. It's been such a sick tournament. I mean, it's not even finished yet, but like,
I have that feeling that we're going to do this way more times than just once. Chat, where are we at with the like count? The goal is 405. We're currently sitting at 201. Ew. Come on, chat. We're not even
Come
halfway there.
on.
We need 405.
Real likes. None of that fake shit.
Yep.
Son of Wall Street, no, I'm not still in the tournament. We're not going to talk about it. I didn't trade it as I didn't have my discipline when I was trading it. Let's just put it that way. I started to in the beginning, and then I was waking up and seeing top place being like 20K above where I was, and I just couldn't. I just was trying to chase it. But hey, I am sure, as Nick said, there will be another chance to join the Tradeify Grand Cup tournament, hopefully in the future sometime. So for any of you that also bottomed out like me and Nick, I think we'll get it next time, hopefully.
Yo, Patrick, why are you fading me? Rip.
Oh, no.
Might look better for you, though, honestly. I think I'm getting double Nasdaq. That's okay.
Cheeseballs hoping they get to the funded stage. Yeah, I think that's the goal. Like that, to get a live account with Tradeify, and then also the insane thing is that any money you guys make in that stage is yours also. So
80% of it,
absolutely,
to be clear.
80% of it. I mean, 80% is still insane. Like, if you get their cheeseballs, I want a piece of the profit now. But good on you for still sticking in it.
By the way, did that other guy ever end up tipping you, Celine, for your trade?
No, never heard back from him.
He was a liar.
Liar. Scammer.
Scammer. My favorite time frame for entry is the 5 minute, 1 hour. But I take a lot of trades in the 3 minute, 30 minute as well.
So just an update. I'm now looking for, now that new 15-minute candle has opened, I am looking for a sweep into the 680s, and then which is the previous 15-minute high, and then hopefully a 1 minute inversion, and I'll be entering. But unless we get that sweep of the previous 15, I'm not going to enter short. So I hope it comes back a bit, just a sweep, and then I can get in.
Just give me my dump, please.
No, but I needed to spike one more time and then dump.
Well, but I wanted to dump now. Now, do it, Nasdaq, do it. I like those blue-white candles. I think I'm going to keep it like that, actually.
I actually like it too. With a black background, obviously. I can't do it with my situation, but
I have to switch everything around on my trading view as well to like dark background, like this kind of like dark gray with light blue and white candles. I think that's going to be my thing. I like it.
I like it. Thanks to the chat. I think it was Francesco whose idea that was.
To change colors, yeah, but the light blue was somebody else's idea. I think it was Evatronic.
Haha, you're welcome. Yeah.
Talker Trader says, that's turquoise, not blue. Hey, shut up. It's blue.
Hey. Corey switched as well, white and blue.
Nice. Francesco, if I win, I owe you. Well, I said I'm going to give you the credit. Trend lining here on the 3 minute. This right here, if it breaks, we're golden, guys. Nick's bear flag alter ego is coming out here.
Yeah, trendline, I can see that. Trendline traders are going to be selling there. I just really wanted to sweep back into the 680s first. Come on.
Let's see.
What? TL, I stare at a real candle until the Flame Lord tells me to long or short.
I love that.
You guys are funny.
I love that.
Risk it for the tick. Celine, what's your A plus setup? Yeah, I can happily go through it while Nick's in this trade. Basically, A plus would for me is a sweep of an A plus short is a sweep of the previous 4-hour high, aligned with a sweep of the previous 15-minute high, and then along with a 1-minute inversion fair value gap. So the 1-minute inversion fair value gap is the entry signal because it's telling me I need something, because obviously we can get a sweep of any high and it doesn't mean we're just going to sell off now. So I needed to make some sort of confirmation in my model that told me that sellers are stepping in and there is some sort of pressure. So for me, that could be for anyone like a different signal, like a market structure shift or a CISD. But in my model, I use the inversion for value gap for that signal. And pretty much the alignment is just between the 4-hour and 15. And I just trade that 4-hour, 15, and 1-minute alignment. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That would be an A plus would be if the sweep, like we have here on the 15-minute, we've swept the previous 15-minute high and into a bearish FVG. That's just like clean. But unfortunately, I didn't get a setup during that sweep. So now I wait for another one. But yeah, I hope that makes sense.
Scratch your itch trading. Who's still in the cup? Why were we not talking about the Grand Cup? Dude, you have tomatoes on your eyes and in your ears? We just talked about the Grand Cup. What are you saying?
We were just hyping it up so much.
Yeah.
You must have just joined late. Guys, don't join late and then ask that.
Yeah.
Be here from this beginning.
Hey, iTrade. Yeah, you're right. Shout out to our producer here. Switching screens like he is on it today. He was on it yesterday as well.
Yeah, no one's mentioned like no tech issues, guys. How great. We started off a bit shaky, but looks like we're in the clear. No more tech issues.
Let's see. Bucket trader, why don't we talk about candle colors? Oh yeah, that's actually a great idea.
Why don't we have a 10-minute discussion on candle colors?
Can't hold. Break it. Nasdaq, break it. I need my monies.
I need like literally 5 points and then I'm in.
Okay,
5 points.
You can get that. That's fine.
5 points. Let me take that sweep and then we can dump together to the.
You just can't get more than 10.
No. I just need that. Literally, this level here is 681. Let's just get there and then let's turn around.
Hey, we're there now. 81.
Come on. Oh no, it's more like, what's that high? 81.50.
I have that feeling. I have that feeling that I'm getting Nasdaq'd again.
No, don't say that. Now, if we can just turn around.
Turn around. I've literally been like this entire trade. I've been in drawdown. I mean, I was in profit for like, I don't know, total of 2 minutes.
This would be ideal for me now. Let's leave this FVG open. Let's turn around, invert it, and then let's dump. Come on, Nasdaq. You know you want to.
Corey says, why don't you all just do what we all want? Well, if we would do that, we would be giving away 1,000 accounts per stream. And we can't do that.
Sadly not, because the bosses would kill us.
We are the captains now.
I am the captain now. Keppa, can we talk about the like button? Smash it. Yeah, guys, listen to Keppa. Why have you not smashed that button? Seriously, think about it. Free account?
Yeah, I'm getting Nasdaq'd again.
No, don't
Come on,
leave.
for real? That's annoying. If it turns around now and we hit TP, I'm going to give away 5 accounts.
Guys, you heard him.
You heard it, chat. Oh, and Q heard it too. Chat, if we hit TP, not trailing stop, but TP on this, I'm going to give away 5 accounts.
All right, if I get this inversion now, I'm going to be entering. Let's hope we get it.
And we get the right to call Nasdaq our bitch if we hit TP.
All right, I will be entering if we get... Okay, nope, doesn't look like we're doing that. NASDAQ.
Durer says Nick and Celine on the same side. Never happened before. Full port time, baby.
That might not be a good thing, by the way. Let's see.
But you're not in yet, right?
No, I'm not in. I didn't get the inversion.
Yeah.
And I've only got 2 more minutes for it to invert. Otherwise, then I have to wait for the next 15. So come on.
Chat, we are at 291 likes. We need 405 to do a giveaway. So make sure you smack the like button. Uh-oh, chat. I think NQ doesn't want you guys to have 5 accounts. Exactly, Keeper.
no.
Everybody got to say, dump it, dump it, dump it.
Dumpit.
A dump it.
Dumpit. Come on.
Let's see. Yeah, the hourly candle close looks like it wants to go higher. That would mean I'm getting NASDAQ'd. However, this is the London high up here, so let's see. She suppose I should do the French accent again, no problem. I really like the baguette and croissant, mais je ne comprends pas, je suis touriste.
There's probably just a group of people who come here for the accents. Like, stuff the trading. We just want to hear different accents today.
I love doing accents.
Oh, we know. We know.
Really? Really?
What exact level is your stop loss?
89.
It's really rejecting here.
Yeah, but it's gonna take it. If this doesn't take it and it hits my TP, I'm a lucky motherfucker. Anthony, guten Morgen. So this is how the Germans speak English. Yes, it's very important. A very important accent you have to have in the world, you know. It's very international. Tube, am I Swiss? Hell yeah, I am.
Tu parles français, tu es adorable, frère?
Okay, you don't speak French. Huh?
Excuse me, I learned French for like 10 years in high school, but...
And you still speak like that? Celine!
Yeah. Tu parles français.
It says tu parles français, Dieu adorable frère.
Adorable frère.
Frère, it's frère.
Frère. Do you speak French? You are adorable. What's frère?
Brother. Frère is brother.
See, I can read it.
Son is saying bonjour, but he's writing it wrong. Nice.
Nice. Bonjour.
No, he's saying bonjour.
Oh, bonjour.
Bonjour.
That sounds
Mr.
like
T,
Arabic.
Arabic is way more aggressive.
Xanix, I can recommend you a Swiss chocolate. Laderac. And if you haven't had it, go wherever you are in the world.
If you want to say it like Swiss people say it, it's called Laderach.
Laderach. Oh, look at your cat in the background.
Is she here?
She just was like creeping.
Come on. Want to get out? She wants to go out.
Guys, we are getting a strong rejection at this level, the 680s. Oh, we're going to see a dump from here. I hope so for Nick. It does look good.
I hope so for the chat, because I'm going to give away 5 accounts, and Nick is definitely going to kill me at that point.
Then you really are going to be fired.
Yep.
Damn, I can't enter this now. I have to wait now for the...
It's
4 p.m. open.
Still holding that trend line. We got to get a candle closure through the trend line. Once we get that, we're golden, but it's still rejecting it.
But it's still also rejecting this. Well, for now. Oh, I didn't see the 3-minute nasty wick.
RC, you can always send me a message on Instagram or Twitter. Both usernames are at Nick M Trades. I'll put it in the chat. Oh shit, I did it wrong. Sorry.
Suri Luca asked an important question. Does your cat understand German?
Yes. She actually speaks German too. Every day I wake up, she's like, Guten Morgen.
Guten Morgen.
Third tube. Genau, im Schweiz. What? Grammar? Grammar where? Lucerne.
What are we doing?
Dropping, hopefully. Yeah, this hourly close is going to fuck us. Because this is a bullish setup. Well. Or it fails. And we get the dump.
Is that like an invalidation for you to close the trade if we get the 1 hour?
Not if we're that close to the stop loss. Then I'll just let it play out and flip the coin.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm 10 points away. Might as well.
Might as well risk it.
But it is a bullish setup on ES and then Q, technically.
Igor, I'm going to try it. Ready? Wie viel Sprachen sprichst du?
Not bad, not bad.
Wie viel Sprachen sprichst?
It's wie viele Sprachen sprichst du?
Sprachen sprichst du.
Sprachen. It's like an sh.
Yeah. Sprachen.
Sprachen.
It's like all the way at the back of your throat. That's why it's hard. Sprachen.
Yeah. Suriluki asked my cat, well, what will she have for lunch? Well, the same as usual. He doesn't get to choose. Can we get the dump or will we get the pump? We will see live on Tradeify TV.
Stay tuned, guys, as we are bound to go somewhere.
Hey, we're at 600 viewers now. Are we going to break yesterday's record? Maybe. Chat, we need 405 likes. 405, and we're going to do another giveaway.
What was our record yesterday? I think it was around 760?
760, something like that.
All right, guys.
And I'm going to hold my word here. If we are hitting TP on this, not a trail stop, but TP, I will give you guys 5 additional accounts.
Come on, NASDAQ. Everyone's going to be just like dust, putting major size on NASDAQ to
they're all going on their live accounts and just shorting.
Yeah.
We are breaking the trend line, though. So it's not looking too bad. But also, we are making the down wick of the new hourly. So not too excited yet. If the only way I get excited on this is if we get a candle closure through 665, because then we would disrespect the previous hour's equilibrium point. And then I would be really excited. But anything before that, I'm just like, nah.
Well, it doesn't look bad.
Well, Patrick, life is not fair. How it is.
We just had the open of the 1 hour, so it's looks like it's wicked up. I mean, it does have a top wick now. It could just dump from here.
It could. Hey, we're at 403 likes, chat. 2 more. Come on. Also, let's go to my screen, please, because I have to trade on. Thanks. Patrick says, game on, Nicky boy. Well, Patrick.
The 1 minute has a nice trend line here, which it's just broken. So let's see what happens.
Hey, we did hit the like goal, chat.
Let's go, chat. That was quicker than usual. Nice.
Nice.
They all want those 5 accounts.
Yeah. Corey's saying, Nick, isn't your win rate like 66%? I mean, you can see it here in the bottom. I can zoom in. Right now, on these accounts, it's around 70%. I don't know why it's not the same. I might have taken a trade accidental on 2 accounts. I don't know. But it's 68 to 71%, yeah. Hey, are we getting the dump now?
Looks like we're getting that push. Come on.
I hope not, because we're getting fired, chat.
It's either Nick gets fired or you guys get 5 accounts. So
let's see. WN shorted on his live account to help. Nice. Love it. Appreciate it.
Let's go NASDAQ. Dump it.
There we go. Give me that big dump.
Damn. This is a goated stop loss if this works out.
This works out, I say. I'm a lucky motherfucker. It's the blue and white candles. Blue and white candles forever if it hits.
100%.
But I will get fired if this hits TP because I'm going to give you guys 5 additional accounts. Oopsies.
They don't care. They're like, just give us the accounts.
But I said it only counts if it's a full TP hit. If it's trailing stop, doesn't count. I said that before already.
Damn it, I needed a sweep.
Clean. That was clean.
Damn it, NASDAQ.
Question is if it's going to sustain the move or not. I said my break even is 46.50. So once we hit that, I'm going to move break even. If we move.
I think you're definitely getting this move. I mean, I'm no market maker, but I think they're definitely going to give it to you.
Well, I thought that before as well, and then it turned around 3 points away. And I lost 22 points in the trade. Fuck. But this one is not looking too bad, chat. I like the bear flag break that we got going on there.
Future here says it'll hit. Don't worry, 100% sure. Are you willing to risk your life on that, Future here? I don't know. 100% is pretty certain.
Andrea says, what if it goes to TP, but you're just wicked on your trailing stop before it? Then it doesn't count. It's got to hit my TP and actually stop me out of trade at my TP. I'm not going to trail it on purpose to get trailed out. I'm just going to trail it according to my system. I can tell you now already what I'm going to do. At 1R, I'm going to move to break even. At 1.5 here, I'm going to move to 1R. And at 1.75, I'm going to move to, actually, it's a bit lower here. I'm going to move to 1.5. And then 2R is the full TP.
Let's go. Nice move, NASDAQ. It's really looking weak.
Give me the dump. Give me the dump. Come on. Just a little bit lower. Just a little bit lower. At least so I can go risk off.
RF is like, this is crazy for my nerves. They're all getting so nervous. There is 5 accounts up for grabs, guys. This is really...
Maybe. Let's see.
It's a big trade here.
All right. We did hit the 1R, but let's go, chat. I'm not losing on this trade. I'm actually already so happy. Even if this stops me out break even, I don't even give a shit.
Literally, this is a W.
The fact that this did not stop me out because of 2 points is already a big win, chat. Hell yeah. I love
Let's
that.
go. If it just dumps now.
If it dumps, I'm getting fired, chat. I'm getting fired. I tell you.
Someone told the market makers that there's 5 accounts up for grabs. And here we have it. NASDAQ
the market
dumping.
makers are like, oh, hell yeah, let me win an account. Yeah, Patrick, never fade me. But I appreciate you accepting the loss. Hey, we did hit our 1.5R. Okay, stop us at 1R. Let's go. Yeah, we might get it.
We're locking in.
We might get it. I'm moving to 1.5 once we hit. Yep, 1.5. Let's go, chat.
Let's go.
No way. No way. No, I'm getting fired. I'm getting fired. Chat, no.
No. Yeah, let's go.
Let's go, money gone.
5 accounts. Woo.
We did it, no way. Chat, there's absolutely no fucking way this just happened.
Chat, we did it.
No fucking way. Come on.
Come on, Nick.
What the hell? You
said it.
God, no. No, 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 no.
Instant regret, huh?
No, but actually,
Nick's like,
it's great. It's great. It's
lucky you
great.
didn't say like 10 accounts.
I'm actually really lucky. I didn't get stopped out because of 2 points. On the first one, we all okay. Let's recap this. First trade, we didn't hit break even point because of 3 points. It turned around, stopped me out for 22. Second trade, I was in immediate drawdown. Basically, like I took it at 9:30. I was in drawdown for 27 minutes. It didn't stop me out because of 2 points, and then it drops and just absolutely demolishes my TP. So I'm up $528 on every single one of my funded accounts. Sitting at $4,500 in profit now. Hell yeah, this is sick. But also
That's
now I'm gonna give away
good.
6 accounts, so I'm fucked, guys.
We'll just have to explain to Nick. Look, it was a bit of a. It almost looked like it was gonna take you out. So fair enough.
Also, Eva, I'm gonna stick to blue and white candles. That's sick. That's my thing
Yeah.
now.
What the hell? What the?
Thanks to you, Eva. Thanks to you.
Literally.
I really hope you win an account. Oh yeah, true, matey. I won. It's actually funny, Celine. Yesterday during the New York stream, I won the giveaway. Like the odds were so slim. Think about it. BDM was there. We had over 1,000 viewers, so there were at least like 800 people in that giveaway. We run the giveaway bot, and I win. And I was like, what the hell? So I'm allowed to give away that account. So it's only.
They're gonna say it's rigged now for sure.
Yeah, but obviously we picked another winner after that.
That's funny. Well, you got some luck on your side.
Yeah, what a roller coaster this trade was. Damn.
Damn.
All right, chat. Well, I promised, so I'm going to deliver. We're going to do 5 account giveaway. Here's what you got to do. In order to participate in the giveaway, you have to like the stream. You have to subscribe to the channel. And once I send the form, the link to the Google form in the chat, you have to fill out that Google form only once. I'm going to send it like 10 times, but fill it out only once. If you fill out more than once and you get picked as a winner, you're going to lose. So here is the form. Fill it out. Only do it once.
And guys, that was a clear example of what we were talking about before. Like when I was first trading, I 100% would have just cut my trade short in drawdown, taking the L. But see what happens when you just diamond hands, just hands off the mouse, just let it play out. Like anything can happen, literally anything. Even though we were like 2 points away from that SL. Yeah.
And remember, you even asked, because the chat asked, hey, this hourly candle that just closed bullish, like, why don't you cut the loss here? This is why. This is literally why. Imagine I would have closed it, because we were at, we were here. We were at 678. Imagine I would have closed it. Oh my God, this would have felt so bad.
Exactly. You saved yourself.
So bad.
Oh my gosh. And it's probably gonna hit Asia lows now. Asia lows, like.
Yeah. Definitely going for Asia lows. But chat, do not chase it. Like that makes no sense to enter right now. Because in the past I would have definitely entered a trade right here.
Yeah. Yeah, me too. No, really good trade. That was really good.
Yeah, but also lucky. It was a mix of a good setup combined with luck, because this could have just wicked me out and then ran without me.
That's true. It has happened before, but yeah, I mean, sometimes Nasdaq wants to play nice, and today you got it. So
true. Just gonna lock myself out until 8:30 Eastern. By the way, if you don't know how to do that, chat, you can go on the lockout manual lockout button here. Then you go to custom, and then you choose whatever time you want to choose. For me, that's 2:29 p.m. my time, which is 8:29 Eastern time. I'm going to be locked out for 4 hours and 60 minutes because I do not want to take anything anymore on these accounts, because I'm up $528. So great win. I'll take it.
Nice. Really good. Andrea, no, I wasn't in the trade. Wasn't my system, but damn, was a good short. I was still I was waiting for this candle for the new hour to wick up and sweep for the 15 to sweep the previous 15-minute high at the open of the 4 p.m. But never got that, and it just dumped. So not my system, but damn, it was a clean move. That's for sure.
All right, chat. Shall we pick a winner, or should I say 6 winners for a 50K growth account. Hell yeah, let's do it.
Hell yeah.
All right. I'm going to copy everybody over. You only have to fill out the form once. I'm just going to pick everybody from there. We have, how many people do we have in there? 408. All right. Let's see. Oh, shit. Nick is going to kill me. I'm scared now. I'm scared now. Chat, if you win, make sure you tag me in the chat so I actually see you there. And I don't miss anybody. All right. First winner of a 50K growth account is... And I'm always going to double check if you filled it out more than once or not. Some people are still filling out the form. Or it's too late. Okay. The first winner is... Lou Goban. Lou Goban.
Woo.
Let's see.
Congrats.
Yep,
Our
you only
first
filled it out
winner.
once. Tag me in the chat, please. Hey, there he is. Nice. Make sure you add your email address to your YouTube channel description. And we're going to send you your account within the next 5 days. I'm going to paste everybody over here to background Nick. Okay, second winner, 50K growth account, is going to be... Shit, we're doing 6? Oh, God.
Well, I guess we are.
Oh, no. God. What did I do? Hey, Lee, one of our OGs.
Woo.
Lee Goulet.
Nice.
If you're French, I
Goulet.
think. Congrats. Make sure to tag me. Lee, where are you at?
I was just trying to work out how to say
Hey,
congratulations.
there he is. Nice. Just pulled up your YouTube channel. Perfect. Same for you. Make sure you add your email address to your YouTube channel description so we can reach out to you and send you your account. Then the third winner is... God, why did I say 5 additional? Ugh.
Well, that'll teach you.
Yeah, well.
You gotta have more faith in your trades.
It was sick. Charles Odia. Charles Odia. Where
Congrats. We're just giving money. It counts out left, right, and center. Guys, this is free money. Tradeify is the best. Name another stream doing this.
It's one, yeah, this will probably come from my paycheck. I don't care though. You guys deserve it. So Charles, gotta say something in the chat. Tag me, please. Come on, Charles. Charlie. Where you at?
I know you want an account. There he is.
There he is. Nice. All right, Charles, make sure you add your email address to your YouTube channel description and give us up to 7 days to send you your account. Winner number 4 is going to be... Oh, so many giveaways. Winner number 4. Crystal Trades.
Woo!
Crystal Trades, where are you at?
Congrats, Crystal. Yet another winner.
Hell yeah.
2 more to go, guys.
Yep. This was number 4. Crystal Trade says, yay.
Yay.
Congrats. Same for you. Make sure you add your email address to your YouTube channel description. Then we got, next up, 50K growth account winner. Number 5 is...
Who's it going to be?
Who's it going to be? No Mercy Trades. Wait, you just won recently.
Really?
Yeah, that person is lucky.
Nice.
No Mercy Trades. Just won another 50K growth account.
Damn, that is lucky.
Make sure to type something in the chat. That was number 5. Now we got 1 more to go, chat. 1 more to go. Who's going to be the lucky winner?
Lucky last.
Well, we first need No Mercy to type something.
Oh, maybe he's not here.
Oh, well, let's see. There
At
he
Nick.
is. At Nick. All right. No Mercy. Okay. You just got yourself another 50K growth account. Hell yeah. And the last one, 6th 50K growth account, is going to go to... Let's spin the wheel. 6th one goes to... There we go. Divine Soul R8H. Divine Soul R8H.
Let's go.
Let's see.
Congrats. Woo. Everyone's winning today.
Yeah, well, not everyone, but
Well,
six.
not everyone. There's 6 of you.
Divine Soul, type something in the chat, please. All right, he says, hey man, hey, what's up? Make sure to add your email address to your YouTube channel description, and we're going to send you your account within the next 7 days. Thank you all guys for participating. That was fun. I'm going to get fired. So if you don't see me here anymore tomorrow, you know why.
It was worth it. Chat, it was worth it. We got there.
It was
And
definitely
you guys
worth
have
it.
free accounts, so what a good way to almost end the stream. 6 free accounts. It's insane.
Idiot. And we're still going to go for 10 more minutes, chat. What else should we do? Oh, well, no, that's a bad question for the chat. I'm not
More accounts?
Just cancel. Abort.
I have more.
Celine, do you see any setups for yourself?
I was just going to say, one of the things with my trading is that when I'm short, looking for shorts, and we've taken the previous 4-hour low, I'm no longer looking. So that's sort of like my level for the shorts. So no, unfortunately not.
Right.
I won't be entering. I mean, I still think we could get to Asia low, but I'm not going to get my model present itself, I think, now for the next 10 minutes.
Vince says, Nick, you could explain why you were short for today. Yeah, that is a great idea. All right, why was I short for today? Let's look at the daily candles on the NQ. Basically, yesterday's daily candle, right? This one right here. Wait. The market. This was yesterday's daily candle. It did sweep its previous candle, so the Tuesday candle up here, swept the high, and then had a nice bearish close within its previous range. The good thing is it did not take out the low. If it would have taken out the low, then I wouldn't have had a bias, because it could be framed in both directions. But because it only took out the high and then closed within the range cleanly, I knew, okay, I have a bearish bias for the day. Then I went down to the 4-hour, looked at the 4-hour, and what I saw was that we have 3 almost equal highs, almost. But when we zoom in here, these 3 4-hour candles that we see, the most recent ones, this one right here swept its previous 4-hour high and closed within the range. It's not a really great bearish closure because it's just barely there and it has a down wick. However, it is a bearish closure, so still gives me the bearish bias. I go down to the 15-minute, look at the 15-minute, and I see a change in state of delivery. Okay, so 15-minute correlates with the 4-hour, and I saw that we did get that change in state of delivery here, this red line, once we closed through the 25,696 level. So that's an additional bias. Then I go down to the 3-minute in this case, and I see we also have a change in state of delivery on the 3-minute. And we have a 30-minute sweep. So I have like, I don't know, 4, 5, 6 confirmations. So all I waited for was a pullback to enter the trade, right? The first pullback that we got was this one. This didn't go into the fair value gap, but it did go into the T-spot area, which if you know what the fractal model is, you understand what the T-spot is. If you don't, then just go on YouTube and type T-Trades fractal model T-spot. Did go into T-spot, but did not go into fair value gap. So unfortunately, didn't hit my break-even point, turned around and stopped me out right at the fair value gap. We rejected it at this nice 3-minute bearish candle closure, so I entered it again. After that, we were in drawdown for a bit, but we respected this this high up here that retested the fair value gap. So I got lucky, didn't get stopped out, and ultimately got the trade I was looking for all along. Hope you get that. If you have any questions around it, feel free to put them in the chat. But I think it's clear. Was it clear, Celine?
Yeah, nice. Killer trade. Love that you re-entered as well. No hesitation. You were still short. You still got the setup and you re-entered. I love that. That's what a pro trader does.
Thank you.
Guys, there's definitely a lot to learn from Nick's trading. Like even from when he was in the trade and he said multiple times like he wasn't going to close out the trade because he was at certain levels, waiting to see certain levels get closed above, and we never did get that. So he stayed stuck to his plan the entire time. That's why these things just sometimes they work out, sometimes they don't. Hey, but he followed the plan. So definitely a lot to learn from how Nick traded today, for sure.
Appreciate it. Thank you. Gene says, Nick, don't forget to give Celine the wheel keys before you're fired. Hey, you know
I
what?
will have the wheel keys next
I was
week,
just about to
so we
say.
never know.
I was just about to say, next week you get AI Celine all to yourself on Thursday and Friday. So definitely.
We never know. We might just have like a AI might just malfunction and give away 10 account. No.
Patrick just said, Nick programmed Celine AI into boost ego encouragement mode. Yeah, I actually did that. Not gonna lie.
Nick, you're the best trader ever.
Oh shit, my programming skills so good, but not as good as our developers' programming skills, because as you can see now on the leaderboard, we have this filter to filter out the ranks, which is pretty sick. I'm actually a big fan of that. Overall, on the leaderboard right now, Presley Winkup is in rank number 1 with $89,000 in profit, which is absolutely insane.
And he's held that for a few days now.
He did.
I think he's definitely probably just not trading and waiting for everyone else.
I wouldn't be trading because
No.
he is 100% guaranteed to move on to the finals. Like,
Exactly.
it's a guarantee. There's no way that 199 people or 200 people will beat his profit. Absolutely no way.
Yeah, well, we'll just have to watch from the sidelines.
Yeah. Well.
But who's to say? There might be another Grand Cup tournament in the future. And if that's the case, I will 100% be up there, guys.
Yeah, there will be. I'm pretty sure. Cheese Balls, what do you think with my 92nd place? Is it enough to just chill? I mean, for now, yeah, absolutely. I would only get worried if I were like 150 or less, right? So until you're there, just chill. 92nd, you're pretty much safe to advance to the finals. Pretty much safe. Because think about it. It's Thursday, right? Tomorrow is the last day.
Yeah, at this point in the competition, guys, I think the less is more. Definitely hold on to your profits. If you're up there, just let everyone else sort of risk it, and then like Matt's been doing. I'm pretty sure he hasn't been trading that much, and
he hasn't been trading in the last 3 days, actually.
Yeah, look at that. He's still up there. So yeah, I'd be saying less is more at this point.
Mm-hmm.
Someone was asking, Carlos, hi Celine, may I ask how you learned trading and how you built your strategy? I just learned through, I have never paid anyone for mentorship or anything. I just learned from YouTube, probably like most of you guys, and built my strategy based on what worked for me. And it changed a lot of times. Like in the beginning, I was trading always ICT concepts, but there are so many ways to apply certain concepts to the charts, and there are so many everyone has different styles of trading, and I just had to find out what works for me. And that took me a lot of back testing, a lot of also like forward testing in the markets, and just losing and working out, okay, why was that not working for me? And also in trades that were winning, and I just felt uncomfortable in like just journaling and working out what I preferred and how I preferred to trade like. And that's how I came across and sort of, well, I can't say like I developed, because these are concepts that are out there and everyone uses them, but definitely something I pieced together based on my own personality, and it's pretty much a mechanical strategy now. Yeah.
Nice.
Well,
nice.
mechanical.
Awesome. Idris asks, how do you manage challenges with Project X, Nick? Look, Project X in itself is a great platform, but it does have some issues. Recently, it had a lot of issues, unfortunately. Whenever I discover the slightest issue, I just stop trading it. I don't touch it, right? And I just wait it. I just wait it out. But also, the reason why I still like it is because, honestly, like Tradeify is doing amazing. Whenever there is an issue, all the people that had green trades, they get to keep their profits. All the people had red trades. Those red trades, they get wiped out and you get reset. So like Tradeify is doing the right thing for everybody. So I know if I am involved in an issue, if I do have a red trade because of a platform issue, I will get reset. And that just boosts my confidence to keep trading with Project X. Because the platform in itself is great. I love the lockout settings. I love the risk settings. And Tradeify doesn't even come close to that. However, Trading itself, obviously Tradeify way more stable, and I like that. I basically prefer that, but my personal choice is still Project X because I know Tradeify is going to do the right thing for everybody.
Yeah, for sure. And Success Joe, what platform is this? He just went over it, but that's his Project X.
Yeah, true. So with 9:30 UK time coming up here in a minute and 20 seconds, Celine, do you have any last words for the chat? Any words of encouragement, motivation?
Let's think. Well, we did just have another fire stream, guys, like 6 accounts. I don't know how else we're gonna have a better Thursday. I mean, for me, no trading, bit of a boring session. I wanted to get in on these shorts, but I stuck to my strategy and didn't get an entry, so that's kind of sad. But I will hopefully get another. There is always a new trading day, so if anyone took an L today or just didn't get an entry like me, there's always a new trading day tomorrow. So just don't let it get your hopes down and just come back tomorrow and we will for sure take the W. So good luck also to a few of you who are still in the Grand Cup. Love to see it. Love to see you guys holding Team TV up there, still on the leaderboard. So keep killing it. Less is more with the tournament. Keep on to your profits, and I will see you tomorrow.
Hell yeah. All right, chat. Put a W in the chat if you loved the stream. Put an L in the chat if you hated it. And we're all going to see you later at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time for another banger New York stream. And then, of course, tomorrow, 8 a.m. UK time for our good old London stream. We appreciate you all. Have a great day and see you later. Peace out.